Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Python 3.14 is introducing something really exciting, sub-interpreters. This feature could change how Python handles concurrency and performance, especially for web servers and multi-threaded apps. Let's break it down in simple terms, what sub-interpreters are, why they matter, and how we can actually use them. First, what are sub-interpreters? All right, in normal Python, you have one main interpreter, also known as the global interpreter lock or the GIL world. The GIL is the reason why Python cannot truly run multiple threads in parallel, right? Even if you are using threading, only one thread runs Python code at a time. Others just wait their turn. But now, with sub-interpreters, Python can create isolated interpreter instances inside the same process. Each sub-interpreter has its own GIL, which means they can run Python code truly in parallel on multiple CPU codes. So why it's a big deal? Imagine you are building a web server like Fast API or Django. Right now, concurrency often relies on multiprocessing, which starts separate processes, each with their own memory. That wastes RAM and slows things down. Sub-interpreters fix this by allowing lightweight isolation, kind of like running multiple Python worlds inside one process. So you get parallel execution, but with shared memory efficiency. It's massive win for performance and scalability. How to use it? Python 3.14 introduces a new interpreters module in the standard library. You can do things like import the interpreters. So using that interpreter, you can use the create method to create a sub interpreter. So then you can run it as it is seen here. And you can even send data between the interpreters using a new object called a channel, similar to message passing in Go. Example, interpreters.create channel is the method. Using that, we can create the channel object. So then we can send that message. Okay, and another channel can receive that message. So this helps you safely share messages between different interpreters. What's still coming? Now, this is still early. Some libraries might not fully support sub-interpreters yet. You can't easily share complex objects or import heavy packages across interpreters, but the foundation is here. Big frameworks like PyTorch, NumPy, and web servers could soon optimize for this feature. So to conclude, yes, sub-interpreters in Python 3.14 are a huge step towards true parallelism in Python. It's lightweight, efficient, and could make Python apps much faster. If you're excited about this, drop a comment below. Do you think this will finally fix Python's GIL problem? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python updates.